Hello, I'm Mike from musicradiocreative.com. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to turn your voice into a musical instrument. So let's start recording here. Perfect, that should do. Right, select all of that. Very strange stuff, and then go into Effects, and we'll go into Filter and EQ, and we'll go for the Notch filter. Have a listen to this. And let's go for something like this. Now, if we were to just simply keep something like Dreamy, you can suddenly hear that you're actually... Ow! That really hurt. That's a musical instrument and a half. But you can play with some of the wonderful presets in here and start notching in frequencies from your voice. Yeah. And you can hear when you move this around, you're playing with different frequencies in your voice. So go and get at one with yourself and load up the Notch filter in Adobe Audition, do a nice into a microphone, and see how you get on and what unique sounds you can create using just your voice.